ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं ओम श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय। 13th chapter. It's a beautiful chapter. अस्मिन् अध्याये स्त्री पुरुषयोः समान संन्यास अधिकारः निरूप्यते. Now, in this chapter, women and men both have equal rights in sannyasa. That is the topic. Women and men both have equal rights के बारे में प्रस्ताव. Both have equal rights in sannyas. Nirupyate. It is now being said, proved. Atra अस्मद् आचार्यणी प्रष्ट्री याम ग्रंथकुताचार्यः प्रथमं चतुर्भिः श्लोकैः प्रस्तौति. Now, who is the questioner here? The Kapala Shastri wrote a commentary, no? He says, my Guru Patni, my Guru's wife, is the questioner in this chapter. And she is not an ordinary lady. You will listen now. Yam Granthakutacharya Prathamam Chaturbhi Slokahi Prastauti. Now, our Acharya, who wrote Ramana Gita Kavya Kanta? Ganapata Muni. What did he write? He recorded the questions asked by different people to Ramana Maharshi, especially between 1915 and 1917, mostly 2-3 years, of various questions by various people on various subjects. So Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi answered. So because Kavya Kanta Ganapati Muni was a great Sanskrit Pandit, he recorded all those questions and answers in Sanskrit. He wrote in sloka format. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi saw and blessed him. He was a great, Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni is such a great Mahatma. He is considered to be the Ganapati avatar and Mahayogi. He was the one who named Sri Venkatraman as Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. Okay. So he also wrote many other Sanskrit texts. Main work was Uma Sahasram, 1000 verses on Divine Mother. Uma Sahasram, very beautiful Murta text. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi blessings were there, otherwise he would not have completed it. The big story also attached to it. So, he wrote this Ramana Gita. Who is Kapala Shastri? Who wrote commentary in Sanskrit on the Sanskrit verses of his Guru, Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni. Commentary he wrote, and commentary also was blessed by Ramana Maharshi, and commentary was written in 1944 or 45, after almost 28-30 years. This commentary also was seen by Ramana Maharshi. He heard when Kapala Shastri was speaking. He read out the entire commentary. Ramana Maharshi heard, blessed him. Kapala Shastri was a Vidwan, was a great meditator. Okay. Now in this, therefore, Yam Granthakutacharya, Yam means her, of whom the Granthakutacharya, Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni, in the first 4 verses of this chapter, my Guru praises his wife. In 4 verses. First 4 verses is all about that Guru Patni, is about his wife. How great she is. She did not go directly to Ramana Maharshi and asked these questions. She wrote on paper. She asked her husband these two questions on my behalf. You go and ask Bhagavan Ramana. She did not come. So Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni went and asked Bhagavan these two questions, stating, my wife had asked. He knows his wife also. My wife had asked these two questions. Kindly get reply. Before those questions were asked, Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni, in the 4 verses, he is introducing his wife, praising his wife for her knowledge and wisdom. Understood now? So what is that now? I'll read all the 4 verses. Atrinam anvayajyotsna vasishtanam kulasnusha mahadevasya janani धीरस्य ब्रह्मवेदिनः प्रतिमानां पुरन्ध्रीणां लोकसेवाव्रते स्थिता बिभ्राणा महतीं विद्यां ब्रह्मादिविबुधस्तुतां दक्षिणे विन्ध्यतश्शक्तेः तारिण्या आदिमा गुरुः तपस्सखी मे दयिता विशालाक्षी यशस्विनी प्रश्नद्वयेन रमणाह्वयं विश्वहितं मुनिम् अदृष्टांगी निक्षिप्तेन मुखे मम अभ्यगच्छद् अदृष्टांगी निक्षिप्तेन मुखे मम. Beautiful verses. Now see, I will read. Idam chatuskam eka vakyam. Our commentator says, all the 4 verses are actually one sentence. If you put in Anvaya, the poetry in prose form, it should form as one beautiful sentence, perhaps with commas. What is that now? Now, he will explain now the first 4th verse. He starts, because all one sentence in poetry, Anvaya is done. Anvaya mein kya hota hai? We make a sentence proper construction out of that poetic statement, the verse. He says, so, we will go to the 4th sloka. That is except. Vishalakshi prashnadvayena munim abhyagachat. Her name is Vishalakshi. Right? She, prashnadvayena, she approached her husband. Muni means Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni. Abhyagachat. She went to her husband and asked, what is that? Vishalakshi iti sugrihita namadheya asmad acharya bharya. This commentator says, Vishalakshi is the name of the wife of my Guru, Vakshamanena, Prashnadvayena, that which is now she is going to be asked, Prashnadvayena, Sandeha Dvamsa Abhyarthanaya, with a desire to get her doubts cleared completely. With that request, Maharshehe upasthanam akarot. Maharshehe upasthanam akarot ityartaha. So, she sent her husband to Maharshi so that she want to get clarified completely these 2 questions. Okay. Na swayam prushtabati. She never asked directly. Mama mukhe nikshiptena. The Acharya says, Kavyakanda Ganapati writes, Mama mukhe nikshiptena. She put her questions in my mouth. Prashnadvayena iti aha swabhatruk granthakruta acharyasya dvara maharshim apruchat. So this, the Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni asked on her behalf Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi. Swagata sandeham patye nivedya tam prashnakaranaaya prarthitavati. See, his wife, Vishalakshi, placed her two questions in front of her husband and requested him to go and ask Ramana Maharshi. Tasmat prashnasya bhavo bharyayaha shabdastu bhartuhu ityartaha. The prashna bhava, the intention, the question intention, bhava is of his wives. The words framed by Ganapati Muni. Bhava was wives. Words are of my Acharya, Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni. Asya prashnasya lokahita vishayatvat. Beautiful thing, no? These questions are not asked for herself. These questions are meant for lokahitam. These questions related to the welfare of the entire world. Not for her own interest. They are not her personal questions. Lokahitaya. Hitatvat munihi vishwahitam iti vishinashti. So munim, not munim, munihi nahi munim. So lokahitattva vishayatvat munim vishwahitam iti vishinashti. Vishwahitam. Vishwahitam means it is for the benefit of the entire world. Okay. Now here you see in the sloka, Prashnadvayena Ramanahvayam. You know? Ramanahvayam. Ramanahvayam. Ramana-namakam muni visheshanam. Ramanahvayam munim. Slok mein hai na? So she went and approached through her husband, a muni, sage, called Ramana. Sage called Ramana. Now the question is, our commentator says, Kapala Shastri, Maharshehe Vishrute Ramana Namni Kuto Ramanahvayam iti ya kaschanena Ramana Nama Maharshirti Khatitam. Kaschanaiva. Yeah, Kaschanaiva Ramana Nama Maharshihi iti Khatitam. See, Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi is popularly known as Ramana only. Ramana Maharshi. Right? But why do you say specifically one who is called Ramana, a Muni who is called Ramana, as though many Ramanas are there? Why do you call that way? Why do you specifically say, called Ramana, I approached Ramana Maharshi? He says, Ramana Padasya Patiparyahetvat. Ramana is also meant, meaning of Ramana is husband. So, she is very clear. Kavyakanda Ramanahvayam. A Muni called as Ramana. Not husband called my husband who is Ramana. Ramana means what? One who gives joy. So, one who revels in joy, one who gives also. One who revels in joy alone can give joy to others. So, Ramana Paryaya Padam is what? Husband. So, that may not be confusion, should not be caused. So, Kaschanaiva Ramana Nama Maharshirti Khatitam Ramana Padasya Patir Pariyatva Patihi Pariyayatvat Patim Munim Ityartho Maabhut. Patim munim ityartho mabhut tan nivaranaya ramana ahvayo namadheyamasya munehe ityuktam. So, let people not misunderstand, because Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni is also called. And Ramana Muni, so Ramana is other name for husband. So, my husband who is Muni, Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni, I asked him that Ramana ahvayam munim. One who is called Ramana Maharshi, Munim, that should not be any confusion in that. So, Vishalakshim Vishinashti. Now, in the first sloka, this is the Prashnadvayena Ramanahvayam Vishwahitam Munim Abhyagachad Adrushtangi Nikshiptena Mukhe Mama. Now, she is very blessed soul actually. Vishalakshim Vishinashti. Now, Vishalakshi is now explained. Who is Vishalakshi? Adrushtangi. Adrushtangi means Lakshana Sampanna. She is blessed with all Shubha Lakshanas, qualities, characteristics of that. So, Vishalakshi is what? Bhagwan. Who says this? Her husband is talking about her. My wife is Lakshana Sampanna. Very lovely lady with all good qualities, good attributes, good characteristics. Therefore, Vishalakshim Adrushtangi बताया. ये तो fourth श्लोका. Now come to first श्लोका. अत्रीणाम अन्वय ज्योत्स्ना आत्रेयस गोत्राणाम कुले जाता. She was born in Atri Gotra, Atreya Gotra. She was born, one who was born in Atreya Gotra Jyotsna. She is a moonlight, like a moonlight born in Atreya Gotra. Her Gotra was before marriage. Before marriage, her Gotra was Atreya Gotra. Moonlight means what? The one who is born, and moon gives what? Light. Cool. Sun also gives light, but he burns also. Moon is so cool, calm, beautiful, blissful. And in fact, moon's light also energizes. That is why seeds and all that are exposed to moon, and moonlight meditations also are very important. I tried to have this, but I did not get time, and my schedule also is very खुले moonlight में not in don't do in this pollution and all that. Not a moonlight, will get some other problem. So moonlight meditations, especially with a master, if you do a group meditation, is very powerful. Group meditations in the moonlight, that to exact 6 p.m. in the evening. Anytime you can do, but 6 is also a exact Sandhya Kala. So she is a moonlight, she is a blessing, a very, very great lady born in that family. So Adrushtangi Atrinam Anvaya Jyotsna Atrayasa Gotranam Kule Jata Vasishtanam Kulasnusha. Now Vasishta is the title of this her family, meaning after marriage. Kavya Kanda Ganapati Muni Vasishta. Vasishta Muni. Vasishta Ganapati. Vasishta Ganapati Muni. His full name is Vasishta Ganapati Muni. So, she is a daughter-in-law of family of Vasishtas. Kulasnusha, daughter-in-law of Vasishta. But what is that? Their Gotra? Their Gotra is what? Vishesha Kulasnusha Kaundinyasa Gotratvat. Kaundinyasa Gotra. आपका है कौंडिन्य गोत्र. देखो इसलिए देख पहचान लिया मैंने. दोनों एक दो के चेहरे देख रहे हैं. हमारा गोत्र है. और भी सुन लेना फिर ध्यान से. कौंडिन्यस गोत्र. चलो भैया एक जोक बोलो. कम से कम 2 लोग तो सावधान से सुनेंगे अभी. जोक समझ नहीं आया? समझ नहीं आया ना आपको? नहीं आएगा तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है. सो कौंडिन्य गोत्रत्वात्. सो काव्यखंड गणपति मुनि का गोत्र क्या है? कौंडिन्य से गोत्र. सो वासिष्ठ कुल में वासिष्ठ बहु पुत्र वधु कुलश्नुषाम पति का कौंडिन्य से गोत्रत्वात्. नाउ धीरस्य ब्रह्मवेदिनो महादेवस्य जननी. आहा. नाउ whose mother she is? Mahadeva. She is the mother of Mahadeva, son of Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni and Vishalakshi. Mahadeva. And Mahadeva's son, father says about son, 2 adjectives are added to his son only. Which Mahadeva? Dhirasya Brahmavedinaha. Son also ऐसे जन्म लिया है. उससे ऐसे परिवार में ऐसे लेते हैं ना. Not always, of course. Not always. तेलुगु में एक तेलुगु में हिंदी में होगा पता नहीं। पंडित पुत्र परम सुंठ, संस्कृत है। सुंठ माने एकदम नालायक। पिताजी पंडित है, पंडित पुत्र परम सुंठ। ठीक है, पिताजी तो पंडित है, पुत्र ऑपोजिट निकला, मूर्ख निकला। ठीक है, एनीवे, धीरस्य ब्रह्मवेद अस्मद आचार्य पुत्रस्य महादेवस्य विशेषणद्वयोपादानं तज्जन्याः महाभाग्य ज्योतनार्थम। Oh. Now, two adjectives added to his son by father. Such a putra, she is a mother of such a son, means see her fortune. Born in a great family, Atri Gotra. Married to Vasishta's family of Kaundinyasa Gotra. Gave birth to a child who is of two adjectives who is having, indicates, one who is a Dhira and Brahmavedi, indicates her fortune as a mother. So he is explaining about mother only. Such a lady asked the question, not on the road. काम धंधा नहीं है, वैसे जाके पूछा प्रश्न। और गर्म करके आओ पानी। Such a, just tell, he will. Such a mother who was blessed with such a beautiful son. उस बेटा का नाम क्या है? महादेव। अच्छा, now these two words are explained. One is Dhiraha, then Brahmavedi. So, Brahmaveditvam na iha Brahmavid varishtatva param. Here, Brahmavedi, it doesn't mean is a knower of Brahman here. ब्रह्मवेदी यहाँ पे ये अर्थ नहीं हो सकता है कि वो ब्रह्म ज्ञान संपन्न, ब्रह्म का ज्ञान जिसको हुआ, आत्मज्ञानी बन गए, इस अर्थ में नहीं लेना है। सो ब्रह्मवेदित्वम नैह ब्रह्मविद वरिष्ठत्व परम किंतु ब्रह्मस्वरूप विचारशीलत्व परम। वन हु इज डेडिकेटेड हिज लाइफ to think upon the nature of Brahman. He's a great seeker. अच्छा, ब्रह्म स्वरूप विचारशीलत्व परम ब्रह्म परम वस्तु स्वरूपम वेदितुम ज्ञातुम शीलमस्येति ब्रह्मवेदी. So one who is desirous to know ब्रह्म परम, परम ब्रह्म वस्तु स्वरूपम वेदितुम, he would like to know, realize the higher nature of Supreme Brahman. Jnatum. Veditum means Jnatum. And Sheelamasya. So one whose nature is, or the character is, to know the true nature of Brahman. Therefore he is Brahmavedi. Meaning one who is dedicated or interested to know द नेचर ऑफ ब्रह्मन. जो पत्नी निकली ऐसी है और पत्नी के बारे और भी आगे आएगा. देन यू विल नो द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ वाइफ. पहले बेटी के बारे में कौन लिख रहा है? काव्यखंड गणपत मुनि. सो इज बिफोर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस टू रमण महर्षि व्हाट हिज वाइफ हैड आस्क्ड हिम टू आस्क रमण महर्षि, ही इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट हिज वाइफ एंड फैमिली. Therefore, ब्रह्मवेदित्वं नहि ब्रह्मवेदित्वं उपपद्यते इति च एतत्. 10 वर्ष देशीयो बालः, 10-year-old child. आप इसका ऐसे मत समझो कि इज अबाउट 20-year-old, 25-year-old desirous to know Brahman. 10 years. दशवर्षीय बालः एव आयुष्मान, मे ही लिव लॉन्ग, महादेवः. भगवन् महर्षेः अनुग्रह बलात् तत्सन्निधौ आत्मस्वरूप लाभ उपायम उपदेशम किल प्राप्तवान. because of his proximity and sannidhi, proximity and satsang with Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi, tat sannidhau atmaswarupa labha upayam upadesham kila prapta. He got the upadesha of Atma Prapti from Ramana Maharshi only at that young age. He has understood the means and he received right kind of instructions from Bhagwan Ramana. About what? About the nature of self, how to do self-enquiry, the techniques of self-enquiry, or whatever you call, the methods of self-enquiry, or how to do self-enquiry. These Upadesha he got directly from Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi because of having his sannidhi all the time. I was really blessed to meet and to receive the blessings of Vajreshwari Amma, who is a daughter of Kavyakanda Ganapati Muni. I used to sit with her and then talk. Very sweet lady. She used to tell so many things. I met, her name is I forgot. But very, very close. Very used to go. I was studying at 9th class at that time. Go and sit with her. She used to come and stay in somebody's house, our Ramana Maharshi devotee's house. So I would go there and ask questions about Dadi batao, aur batao, aur batao, aur batao, aur batao, aur batao. She would narrate so many stories of Ramana Maharshi. Her name is Vajreshwari Amma. Yes, Vajreshwari Amma. अभी याद आ गया नाम वज्रेश्वरी बोला होगा मैं तो भूल गया Vajreshwari Amma. So I met her also, her brother. So Bhagwan Maharshe Anugraha Bhalat, on the strength of the Anugraha grace of Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi, Tat Sannidhau, in his proximity, in his Sannidhi, Atmaswarupalabhaya Upadesham Kila Praptavan. Indeed, he was blessed, he got how to realize Brahman, how to do enquiry. Vayaha Vayovidya Vruddeshu Madhye Dhirataya Atmasampraptidayinim Sri Maharshehe Vacham Vicharayan. Without any fear, he would discuss about this in the presence of well-read people, directly asking questions to Ramana Maharshi. Great, no? 1 second. इधर कुछ गलत है, गलत मैं प्रिंटिंग का देख रहा हूं. वयो विद्या वृद्धेषु मध्ये धीरतया विथ करेज आत्मसंप्राप्ति दायिनीम श्री महर्षि वाचम. That words of Ramana Maharshi which bestow the Atma Jnanam in the midst of sitting with great people, elderly people, he learned the technique of enquiry. Smarta Brahmopadeshat Vicharayan, Smarta Brahmopadeshat Prageva Prapta Brahma Upadesha Abhotiti Vishrutameva Yetat. Smarta Brahmopadeshat, meaning before this thread ceremony. Smarta Brahmopadesha means what? Upanayana ceremony, samskar. जनेऊ पहनते हैं ना, संस्कार. उस दिन क्या होता है, पिताजी विल ब्रह्मोपदेश देता है कान में. What is Brahmopadesha? Gayatri Mantra. What a beautiful tradition we have. I would like to tell very clearly. Brahmopadesha, Upanayana Samskara is for all people. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, pehna hi pehna hai, compulsory for them. शूद्रों के लिए not required. working servant class. Rishi said, not required for you, because you may not get specific time to do this upasana, because you are always engaged in seva. But if you want, you can have it. गायत्र उपदेश प्राप्त करो, साधना कर सकते अलग से. ठीक है, हमारा यह नहीं होता है, हमारा यह नहीं होता है. ये हमारा यह नहीं होता तो जन्म लिया 50 साल पहले बकवास करते हो. ये तो अनादिकाल से संप्रदाय है. हमारे यह नहीं पहनते, हमारे नहीं पहनते, क्या तुम्हारा बड़ा शास्त्र विरुद्ध आचार इट इज. शास्त्र नेवर सेड लाइक दिस. सो इसे एवरीबडी एलिजिबल. सो एनीवे, ब्रह्मोपदेश गायत्री में सबके सभी कर सकते हैं. सो ब्रह्मोपदेश स्मार्त ब्रह्मोपदेशात् प्रागेव, बिफोर ही गेट इनिशिएटेड, प्राप्त ब्रह्मोपदेश अभूत इति विश्रुतम एव एतत्. हाउ लकी इज he got brahmopadesha, vichara, how to do inquiry from Ramana Maharshi. Evam dhirasya, therefore is dhira, courageous person, living in the midst of elderly people and listening and understanding and then inquiring and got the knowledge of self-inquiry. Such a son. Acha, vicharavan smata एवं धीरस्य ब्रह्म वेदिनः महादेवस्य माता विशालाक्षी. दिस इज द ब्रह्म वेदी. एवं thus the one who is dhira in this way is courageous, and brahma vedi, one who is interested to know Brahman. Such a son's mother is Vishalakshi. So to give birth to such a son is not an ordinary thing. ये याद रखना. Unless the mother is so pure, Mahatmas won't take birth. It's not an accident. Unless you are so pure. So that is why यदि भगवान कृष्ण को जन्म देना है, तप करना पड़ा कई जन्मों में. फिर भगवान बोलते हैं जन्म कर, पर बाद में. शंकराचार्य के जन्म के लिए माता पिता तप किया है. राम जी के जन्म के लिए कितना तप किया. मार्कंडेय के माता पिता कितना तप किया है. सांब के जन्म के लिए भगवान कृष्ण हिमालय में जाकर शिव जी के लिए तप किया. टू गेट ए सांब सन. तो पार्वती भगवान ईश्वर कृपा से ही सांब का जन्म हुआ. भगवान कृष्ण तपस्या किया है. सो टू हैव सच अ सन, पेरेंट्स हैव टू डू तपस्या. बिना तपस्या गुड सोल्स, गुड महात्मास, गुड मीन्स नॉट गुड महात्मास, महात्मास, गुड सोल्स विल नॉट टेक बर्थ इन द फैमिली. इसलिए कहते हैं एक सन्यासी परिवार में हुआ हो तो ऊपर का 7 पीढ़ी, नीचे की जो 7 पीढ़ी मुक्ति हो जाती है. तो हम क्या कहते हैं, पड़ोसी के जो बेटा सन्यासी हो जाए, मतलब मेरा पुत्र नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं बनना चाहिए. पागल हो गया क्या, तेरे को दिमाग टेढ़ा हो गया तेरा, घूम. वो बोलता है मम्मी सबका दिमाग घुमा हुआ है, मैं सीधा करना चाहता हूं इसलिए संन्यास लेना चाहता हूं. ना ना ना, नहीं लेना संन्यास. लेना वो बन गया, बनने तो पागल है वो. दैट इज अ ट्रेंड. इट इज नॉट इजी टू गेट अ सन्यासी इन ए फैमिली. और हमारे परिवार, मतलब मिशन में ऐसे परिवार है, 3 बच्चे हैं, तीनों मिशन में दे दिए. 2 बेटियां और 1 बेटे, तीनों के तीनों आगे आश्रम में पहुंच गए. 2 ब्रह्मचारिणी बन गई और 1 ब्रह्मचारी बनने वाला है. अभी द प्रोडक्ट विल कम आउट इन जनवरी डिलीवर्ड, कोर्स खत्म होने के बाद. देखो कई जनों 3 भाई है, 2 भाई बन गए. ऐसा कई है, भाई बहन भी बन गए, दोनों सन्यासी हैं। तो ऐसे जो होना इतना आसान नहीं है। तो एक आदमी था किसी आश्रम में, अपने बेटे को भी जबरदस्ती किसी आश्रम भेज दिया, वेदांत पढ़ाया, दीक्षा दिला दी। वो बोलते मुझे नहीं चाहिए, हमें जबरदस्त किया, तो दोनों वापस आ गए। बोले ये बेकार है, हमको जमता नहीं, हमारा अलग है, संस्कार अलग है हमारा। अच्छे बच्चे हैं मगर ये आई डोंट वांट दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइफ, ये भी है। तो धीरस्य ब्रह्मवेदिनो महादेवस्य माता विशालाक्षी, ये हो गया। अभी सेकंड वर्स में क्या है, पुनः ताम विशिनष्टि, मोर डिटेल्स आर गिवन, अगेन शी इज प्रेज्ड, मोर क्लैरिटी इज गिवन। विशिनष्टि एक्सप्लेन्ड व्हाट, पुरंध्रीनाम प्रतिमानम, शी इज, पुरंध्रीनाम मीन्स अमोंग स्त्रीनाम निदर्शनम स्वचर्याय इत्यर्थः, बिकॉज ऑफ her exemplary conduct she shines among women, exemplarily shines. See who, oh he is praising his wife, वैसे आजकल कौन प्रेज करते हैं बताओ? Even wife is by mistake, she is good also, husband will not praise. And good husbands are never praised by wives. दोनों हैं ऐसे ही। if दोनों अच्छे हैं, बच्चे पागल समझते दोनों को। माँ भी पागल है, दोनों चले जाते हैं, सुबह घूमते रहते हैं आश्रम में, पागल है। कोई स्वामी उनको एक मंत्र डाला, उन्हीं के पीछे जेते आए, हर जगह माँ बाप पागल हो गए। यदि पूरे परिवार आ जाते हैं आश्रम में, पूरा परिवार पागल हो गए कैसा कहते, आजू बाजू लोग कहते हैं हाँ पागल हो गए पूरा परिवार, माँ भी ऐसी निकली, पापा भी ऐसे निकला, बच्चे भी ऐसे निकले, पूरा परिवार ही पागल परिवार है। ठीक है। सो पुरंध्रीणाम प्रतिमानम स्त्रीणाम निदर्शनम स्वचर्यया, not yaya, स्वचर्यया इत्यर्थः। By her conduct she became so special, shines among the women. इतना ही नहीं है, लोक सेवा व्रते स्थिता, she is firmly abiding in the service of the world. How? लोकक्षेमाय देवता अनुग्रह संपादक जपादि नियमे संस्थिता. She does sadhana for lokakshemam, not for her own this one. Japa, all those things. Japa, puja, devata, anugraha sampadaka. So that japa niyama follow, so that she gets blessings of devatas. So these are the means to get the blessings of the devatas. She is constantly engaged in such kind of tapasya to get the blessings of the divinity for the welfare of the world. ब्रह्मादि विबुधस्तुताम महतीम विद्याम बिभ्राणा षोडशीम श्री विद्याम महाविद्याम आहुः. Now, Shodashi Vidya is there. Shodashi Vidya, Devi, Sri Chakra Vidya, Shodashi Mahavidya. Brahma and Devatas, they praise that Vidya, Shodashi Vidya. Devi Archana, Devi Vidya, with mantras, Bija Mantra, Anusthana, etc. Mahatim Vidyam Bibhrana, Shodashim Sri Vidya, Mahavidyam Ahuhu. Shodashi Vidya is Mahavidyam. Tam Dadatim, she holds that Vidya. Dadatim Sri Vidya Upasika iti yavat. She is Sri Vidya Upasika. Sri Vidya Upasika means Sri Chakra Upasana, Devi, Anusthana, powerful mantras, Bijaksharas, Upasika. अब देखो, 1111, her glory is increasing. She is born in Atrikula, married to Vasishta family, Kaundinya Sagotra. Son बड़ा निकला, धीरा एंड ब्रह्मवेदी निकला. पति तो महात्मा ही है, योगी पति. Then she is great woman among that Nari Jagat. And by her conduct, she demonstrated her exemplary lifestyle, inspiring people around her. As a wife, as a daughter, as a woman in the society. इसके अलावा she engaged constantly for the welfare of the world, doing puja, japa, etc. for the welfare of the Jagat, and Sri Vidya Upasika. काफी है ना, और क्या चाहिए क्वालिफिकेशन? That is why he is praising. And he, such a wife he got, how much he blessed. Suppose pati is a meditator, wife is a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer, टिन 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 करके हो जाती है. या पत्नी पूजा पाठ करती है, वो डिस्को डांसर बन गया घर पे. ये श्री माता श्री महाराज की इसका वीडियो ऑडियो, उसका तो टाटा टैन टैन, वो एक दूसरे कमरे में. कैसे होगा घर? पता नहीं क्या होता है. This is a wonderful husband and wife. Such a grahastha is never a bondage. Because it is not a bondage at all. It is a course that together walking the path of meditations. Like Yajnavalkya and Maitreyi, Katyayani. Katyayani wanted wealth. Maitreyi wanted only Brahma Vidya. See, think. Therefore, he is praising. Therefore, tam dhadatim Sri Vidya Upasika iti yavat. Now, hey, how can she got that diksha? He says, Vindhyataha dakshine tarinyaha shaktehe adima guruhu tara neela saraswati ekajatayiti trivida upasya mantramurti dashamaha vidyasu tara tantra shastreshu vishruta. Vindhyataha dakshine tarinyaha shaktehe adima guruhu. Vindhyachala Dakshina mein, in south mein at that, not much, but she got initiated. South of Vindhyachal. South of Vindhyachal mein, Shaktehe Adima Guruhu. She herself is a great thief. She is the first guru. Of what? She is the first guru. South of Vindhyachal. For what? In what? Tara Neela Saraswati Ekajatayiti Trivida Upasya Mantramurti Dashamaha Vidyasu Tara Tantra Shastresu Vishruta. Tara Vidya Dashamaha Vidyo mein Tara Devi. Very famous, very powerful Tara Devi. Buddhism में भी है तारा देवी. Very, very powerful. Tara Vidya. Very powerful deity, very powerful. So, Tara and her other names are Neela Saraswati. That's why Tara with Devi, she is clothed in blue. Neela Saraswati, other name. Ekajata, her Rupa is like that. Iti Trividha Upasya Mantramurtihi. So, she is Upasya done Tara Devi as Neela Saraswati as Ekajata Murtihi Dashamaha Vidyasu Tara Tantra Shastreshu Vishruta. Very popular Tara Devi. She is the first guru of that Upasana, initiating others. Think Tara Vidya. Tara, okay. Videheshu, sir, Videheshu Esha Mahavidya Prapta Prachara Bhavati. In other parts, in Videha Prant, north mein, this is very popular. Madhya Pradesh, north mein, all this Tara Vidya is popular. Right? Prachara. है। यस यस, काश्मीरेशु अपि इति एके, काश्मीर में भी तारा विद्या का महाविद्याओं में, नॉर्थ में बहुत, विदेह विदेह दे विदेह राज्य में, राइट, विदेह, ऑल दोस थिंग्स, दैट्स व्हाई इन एमपी आल्सो कालिदास जो माता जी का जो किया है, तो काश्मीरेशु अपि, इन दैट आल्सो वेरी पॉपुलर, स्त्री गुरु परंपरागतया परंपरागतया गत अयम परंपरागतेयम गत परंपरागत इयम इति संप्रदायः. This sampradaya has come from Stree Gurus. So she got initiated from Stree Guru Parampara. विदेहेषु एषा महाविद्या प्राप्त प्रचारा भवति, काश्मीरेषु अपि इत्येके स्त्री गुरु परंपरागता इयम् इति संप्रदायः. जातस्य शिशोः पुण्याः पूर्वमेव माता स्वयं अन्य स्त्री गुरुद्वारा वा नीलसरस्वती बीजाक्षरत्रयं मधुमिश्रेण वचाभस्मना जातस्य जिह्वायां लिखति. When the baby is born, when Punyaha Vacha Karma, Punya Shuddhi is over, this Diksha is written with honey mixed. Honey ke saath, see, Jihvayam, Neela Saraswati, Bijaksharatrayam. Tara, Neela Saraswati, Bijaksharas are there. I will not tell that. That Bijaksharas Trayam, Madhu Mishrena, Vacha Bhasmana, Thoda Bhasma और सब मिला के, Vacha Bhasmana मिला के लिखते हैं जीप पे. कभी संस्कार होते ही, पुण्यावच कर्म होते बच्चेपन में, जस्ट चाइल्ड में, जात से जिह्वायाम लगती. एवं आजन्मनो मंत्रपूते रसनारंगे स उल्लसा नृत्यति सरस्वती. जिस दीक्षा ऑन जीप पर लिखा है, द सरस्वती विल डांस ऑन द टंग ऑफ द चाइल्ड. When Pujya Gurudev was giving lectures on Gita, Upanishads, Vedanta in English, so in those days there was a lot of protests against Gurudev speaking in English. All Orthodox Brahmins, many people, they said, no, how can you speak this language? You should speak only in Sanskrit or Indian languages. This is Ashuddha Bhasha, Mlecha Bhasha, this is that and that. But Gurudev never bothered. Knowledge has to reach. Language is a means of communication. Some people have told and complained or mentioned this too. Kanchi Paramacharya, Sri 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 Chandrasekhara Saraswati Mahaswamigal. He was a moving god. Gurudev also had darshan. He used to put namaskar to him. Such a great Mahatma. I had a darshan also once. Sri 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 Chandrasekhara Mahasaraswati Swamigal. Baba. Moving God. He lived पूर्ण आयु. पैदल चलते थे. कभी गाड़ी पे नहीं बैठा जीवन में. He never sat in any vehicle. कभी रथ में बैठते अलग बात है. Never. Always पैदल. Whole country used to travel. You want to study his life history of Sri 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 Chandrasekhara Saraswati Mahaswamigal. So when they told him, he said, when Saraswati is dancing on his tongue, on Gurudev Chinmayanandaji's tongue, you cannot stop. This has to go out. Jnana Ganga will be spread. He used to love Gurudev. So only when Saraswati Maya grace is there, when she nourishes, then Atma Vidya becomes easy, or Upasana. So therefore Nrutyati Saraswati. Therefore all poets, all this kind of so many people do Saraswati Upasana. Without Jnana Saraswati Krupa, knowledge you will not get. सी एवमेव विशेषतः काश्मीरेषु सारस्वतवैभवज्वलिताः कवयः पूर्व इति कथयन्ति. काश्मीर में सारस्वत जो कविज आर देयर, इट्स वेरी ग्रेट दैट एंड ऑल ऑफ देम those upasakas, mostly the kavis which are born Saraswata kavis are there. On them visheshatah you can see their vidya, Saraswati vidya, Saraswati blessing them, dancing on their tongues. See, so iti katayanti, like that. Asmadacharani devi tu videha deshat maithili videha deshat maithilyaha, she came Stri Guroho Imam Vidyam Prapya. So she got that Vidya from that side. Initiated by Stri Guru. Her name is not given. She was initiated into this Tara Vidya, Sri Vidya, Dasha Mahavidya. Imam Vidyam Prapya Dakshina Upadesham Agata. Dakshina Desham Agata. She came, Upadesham, Dakshina Desham Agata. She came from that after learned Diksha from the northern side, Maithilyaha, Videha Deshat, Maithilyaha. Videha means our northeast, our Kathmandu, Videha De. Janakas, somewhere in that side, from that she was initiated. Agata, she came down to south. Tasmat Vindhyachalat Dakshina Deshe Avidita Purvayaha Tara Mahavidyayaha. Earlier, before that, it is not this Tara Mahavidya is not known to Dakshina much, in a great way. Iyamadima Guru Ityuktam. She is the first Guru who brought that Vidya and taught many people this Vidya. So, who is the questioner? Question is of that type, of that scale, of that degree of evolution. So she asked two questions to Ramana Maharshi, not for herself, for the Lokahitam. Tapassaki me dayita. Oh, my companion, Tapassaki me. She is my companion in my tapasya. Who says? Kavya Ganda Gandapatamani. Me Tapassaki, companion tapasya. Me dayita. She is very dear to me. Tapasi tishtati. Acharye swayamapi. Acharya himself always engaged in tapas. Tat sahachari. Tat sahacharya rupam pativrata dharmam tapaha tapasyanti ityartaha. Being with him, observing pativrata dharmam, supporting him, also doing her tapasya, and of course teaching and instructing others. Dayita means what? Priya Bharya, a dear wife. Yashaswini, very, very Yashaswini she is, very famous, very popular. Her kirti spent. Idrisha Mahanubhavena Bhartrumati. So such is, she is a wife of such a great Mahatma. Kavya Kanpat. Idrisha Mahanubhavena Bhartrumati. Such she is having such a great Mahanubhava as her husband. She has asked two questions. Now understood how great she is. Only if you know who the questioner is, then only you will value the question. It is not our question and answer time pass के लिए. Any questions? अच्छा ये बताइए. कुत्ता काटा क्या सडनली तेरे को? चलो पूछ ही लेते हैं. दिस इज आवर एटीट्यूड. और बाद में पूछा उनसे, भैया तू क्यों पूछा? अरे बेचारा 2 बार स्वामी जी ने बोला एनी क्वेश्चंस, उन पर दया आ गई. तो आप कोई प्रश्न पूछते नहीं, बेचारा वो बहुत बुरा लगेगा उनको, बेचारा स्वामी को. इसलिए कुछ ना कुछ मैंने पूछा। ये है माय डियर दीज टू क्वेश्चंस अथ श्लोकद्वयेन प्रश्नद्वयम् आह। इन टू श्लोकास टू क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड दैट वी विल सी टुमारो। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।